Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 1207. In this question, which is unique number of occurrence. Okay, so you just have to return true if the occurrence of each value is unique. Okay, or if it is not, then you just have to return the false. So you can see in an example that 1 occurs 3 times. Okay, and 2 occurs 2 times and 3 occurs 1 time. No two value have a same number of an occurrence, so you just have to return the true. Okay, and here in this question, one is occurring only one time and two is occurring only one time. Okay, so there is a these two numbers occurring one time means both have same number of occurrence, so you just have to return the false. Okay, so this is a easy question, you can do it. First, int n equals to array dot size, which will store the size of an array, and I will create unordered map, which is int comma int mp. Okay, and after that I just have to do, I will traverse through the array for int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. You just have to add the value mp of array of I plus plus and create again unordered set, okay, of int type s. For auto x and m, int frequency equals to x dot second if s dot find frequency, if it is find it in is equals to s dot end, then you just have to return the false. Okay, means the occurrence is same, else you just have to insert it into the set frequency. Okay, and after that you just have to return the true if the condition is not followed. At the end it will return the true. Okay, so let's run it. There is an error in auto. Oh, m is not declared, it is an mp, so let's run it. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.